You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word. It is a little bit confusing in English, but we're going to clear things out for you. If you want to learn more of confusing English vocabulary, stay tuned until the end of the video. We've got tons coming up for you on the channel. Let's break down the pronunciation. Synonymous, that's British English pronunciation. C, a short E sound here. C, no, ni, mus. The stress is on the second syllable, the no syllable. Synonymous. Now the third ni sound could be pronounced, especially in American English, as n. Synonymous. Synonymous. That's more the American English pronunciation. Synonymous, or British English pronunciation, synonymous. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.